Your pinpoint forecast with meteorologist Cedric Haynes.
And good evening to you on this Friday evening, downtown Lake Charles. We're looking at dry conditions, which is some good news looking over the water there. We've got temperatures that are still very warm out there right now. 83 degrees. We've got a dew point of 75, so it is a warm and muggy evening, but at least we've got some breaks in the rain and the cloud cover. It's not a bad evening at all. Go on out there and enjoy it your Friday evening. But let's take a look at the temperatures locally. You can see it's still warm area wide, but some cool air trying to nose in from the north and east. 81 currently in Oakdale, 81 in Opelousas, but looking to the south and west, we've got 83 in Sulphur, 83 in Lake Charles. Look at this, 86 degrees in DeRidder and 86 in Fort Polk. Now, quick check of 7 Storm Vision HD. We've got 5 radars sweeping the entire southwest Louisiana region, and you can see things are dry this evening. We had a few isolated showers and storms across portions of Acadiana and also along the very coastline there, southwest Louisiana, earlier today, but all that activity has since faded out now, and we're looking at things drying out across the area. Satellite radar composite across the state showing a few serious high clouds that will be streaming in, so we won't go completely clear tonight. You will see some of these high, thin, cirrus clouds. They're about 40,000 feet in the upper levels of the atmosphere, so they're not going to be, they're very thin ice crystals. They're not going to cause a lot of damage there for us, but you'll see a few of those in the area. And if you saw an isolated shower earlier today, you may see a little patchy fog because the winds are going to be pretty calm and so much moisture out there. We can see that. But otherwise, we're looking at pretty much a nice evening. Now, as we wind the picture out, I want to show you what's going on. Our weather pattern is being dominated by a high pressure ridge in the upper levels of the atmosphere. You can see that situated currently over Texas, and we sometimes call this the ring of fire, or we call this the big heat ridge, because you can see all the rain and storms kind of rotate around this high pressure. It's like a clock, one of those analog clocks that you hang on the wall, and you can see how that storm systems rotate around that high pressure, and they just follow that ridge all the way around. But notice where southwest Louisiana is, and you can see that ridge goes to our east. That means we're going to stay dry, and we're going to see that heat expanding, and so it's going to warm up as we go throughout the evening hours. So here's a look here at your futurecast. You can see again tonight we stay dry. That front basically washes out across the area. We may see an isolated shower storm coming in on your Saturday and your Sunday. We've left rain chances at about 20% throughout the next several days, but overall no major storm systems that are going to come in and enhance the rain chances, because here's what's going on in the upper levels of the atmosphere, the jet stream pattern. This is, remember, the storm track across the country. This is like a train track, and this is where our different storm systems rotate and travel, and they will be following the jet stream well to our north and east. Meanwhile, this heat ridge will expand and push to the east. That means we'll see warm and dry conditions moving across the area, and it will get warmer as we go throughout the next couple of days. Some of us could be flirting with that century mark as we go throughout the next several days, and the dew points in the 70s. It's going to be hot and humid. So in fact, get ready for what I like to call the 3 H's of summertime: hot, hazy, and humid. So it's going to be coming up for us. Get ready. The 3 amigos of the 3 H's heading into the area. So quick check on the tropics as we visit the tropic centers. We are watching the remnants of Dorian. They are still festering just to the east of the Bahamas now. And this evening, you can see it doesn't look very impressive on satellite right now, but as we switch over and take a look at the radar, look at this. We've got a little spin or circulation developing here. And this has been trying to get more organized throughout the week, so that's something to watch, but it won't be impacting us here in southwest Louisiana. We're looking at some warm and muggy conditions tonight, temperatures into the 70s. We'll be in the 70s area wide tomorrow with highs warming all the way up into the mid to upper 90s, but it's going to remain dry pretty much with just a slight chance of an isolated storm. The heat will be the big story.
Boy, folks have got to take it easy when it's hot.
They really do.
It's dangerously hot.
It really is, and over the next several days, the heat index will be well over 100.
All right, thanks a lot, Cedric. Next.